Welcome to the channel. Today, I'm reviewing 5 best Singer sewing machines, carefully selected based on research and testing for various needs. Whether you're seeking affordability, performance, or specific features, I've categorized the products to suit different buyer preferences. Check the description for up-to-date prices and details. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. Let's dive in. Starting with number 5 on our list. Number 5. Singer Heavy Duty 4411 Sewing Machine. If you're looking for a sewing machine that combines power, speed, and durability, the Singer Heavy Duty 4411 is a game changer. With 50% more power than standard machines, it effortlessly tackles tough fabrics like denim, canvas, and leather while still being versatile enough for lighter materials. Equipped with 69 stitch applications, this machine lets you unleash your creativity, from basic seams to intricate decorative stitches. Whether you're crafting home decor, sewing garments, or handling repairs, the 4411 has you covered. Plus, with an impressive 1,100 stitches per minute, you will complete projects faster than ever. The heavy-duty metal frame ensures stability and skip-free sewing, even with thick fabrics. Say goodbye to frustration and hello to professional quality stitches every time. And with the top drop-in bobbin system featuring a transparent cover, you'll always keep an eye on your thread supply, no more running out mid-seam. Designed for both hobbyists and experienced sewists, the Singer Heavy Duty 4411 is built to last. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional, this machine is a workhorse that delivers precision, speed, and durability, all at an affordable price. Number 4. Singer Heavy Duty 4452 Sewing Machine. The Singer Heavy Duty 4452 is a high-performance sewing machine designed for sewists who need power, precision, and durability. Featuring an enhanced piercing motor, this machine effortlessly handles multiple layers and thick fabrics like denim, canvas, and upholstery. With 110 stitch applications, including basic, stretch, and decorative stitches, plus a one-step buttonhole, you can tackle any project with ease. The built-in needle threader saves time and effort, while the easy stitch selection dial allows for quick adjustments. The heavy-duty metal frame ensures stability and long-lasting durability, making it a true workhorse for all your sewing needs. A top drop-in bobbin system with a clear cover prevents jams and makes thread monitoring effortless. Perfect for both beginners and advanced sewists, the Singer Heavy Duty 4452 delivers fast, precise, and professional quality stitching, making it the ultimate machine for creativity and customization. Number 3. Singer Heavy Duty 4423 Sewing Machine. The Singer Heavy Duty 4423 is built to handle any sewing project with power, speed, and durability. Whether you're stitching lightweight fabrics or tough materials like denim, canvas, and leather, this machine delivers professional quality results with ease. With 97 stitch applications, including basic, stretch, and decorative stitches, plus a one-step buttonhole, this machine offers endless creative possibilities. The automatic needle threader eliminates frustration, making setup quick and effortless. Sew faster than ever, with 1,100 stitches per minute and a 60% stronger motor, providing exceptional piercing power for thick seams. The heavy-duty metal frame and stainless steel bed plate ensure long-lasting stability and smooth fabric feeding. Convenience is key. This model includes a top drop-in bobbin with a transparent cover, allowing you to monitor thread supply easily. Plus, Stay Bright LED lighting illuminates your workspace for precision sewing, even in low-light conditions. A full accessory set is included, featuring multiple presser feet, bobbins, needles, a quilting guide, and more, all neatly stored in the built-in tray. A soft-sided dust cover keeps your machine protected when not in use. For sewists of all levels, the Singer Heavy Duty 4423 delivers powerful performance, high-speed efficiency, and lasting reliability, the perfect machine for everyday projects and heavy-duty tasks alike. Number 2. Singer Heavy Duty 6700C Sewing Machine. For sewists who demand ultimate versatility and performance, the Singer Heavy Duty 6700C is the perfect powerhouse. With 586 stitch applications, including basic stretch and decorative stitches, plus 2 built-in lettering fonts and 9 one-step buttonhole styles, this machine lets you customize every project with professional results. Built to handle thick fabrics like denim, canvas, and leather, its 60% stronger motor delivers exceptional piercing power at speeds of 1,100 stitches per minute. The heavy-duty metal frame and stainless steel bed plate ensure stability and smooth fabric glide for precise stitching. Advanced features make sewing effortless. The built-in needle threader, top drop-in bobbin with a transparent cover, tie-off button, built-in thread cutter, and adjustable stitch length and width give you total control over your work. The drop feed feature enables free motion sewing for creative quilting and embroidery. The intuitive LCD screen displays stitch settings and presser foot recommendations, while easy touch buttons and speed control provide seamless customization. Plus, with a generous sewing space and a free arm design, you can tackle everything from large quilts to detailed cuffs and sleeves. Whether you're a passionate hobbyist or a professional sewist, the Singer Heavy Duty 6700C delivers speed, strength, and innovation, making every project a breeze. Number 1. Singer Heavy Duty 4432 Sewing Machine. Designed for serious sewists, the Singer Heavy Duty 4432 delivers power, speed, and durability to handle any project with ease. Its heavy-duty metal frame ensures stability and longevity, making it a reliable companion for years to come. With an extra-high sewing speed of 1,100 stitches per minute, you can complete large projects faster, whether you're working with denim, canvas, or multiple fabric layers. The powerful motor provides excellent needle piercing capability, ensuring smooth and consistent stitches on even the thickest materials. Featuring 110 stitch applications, including basic stretch and decorative stitches, plus a one-step buttonhole, this machine offers versatility for both creative and functional sewing. The top drop-in bobbin system with a transparent cover lets you monitor your thread supply, preventing interruptions. For added convenience, the reverse stitch function reinforces seams, while Stay Bright LED lighting provides clear visibility without shadows. Whether you're tackling heavy-duty projects or everyday sewing, the Singer Heavy Duty 4432 is built to deliver professional quality results with speed and ease. I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and breathe easy.